Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video, to another haul. So today's video, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's not just any kind of haul, you know what I mean? And that is because this is the first time that a really big clothing brand company has sent me products to show you guys, and I did not pay with my own money. Isn't that exciting? Like, for that I am so grateful. I just feel blessed and all that type of stuff, you know. So yeah, today's video would not have been possible if it were not for Pretty Little Thing. So shout out to them for hooking your girl up with these cute, lovely pieces. But with that being said though, because this is, you know, sent by PLT themselves, there will be links down below that you guys can feel free to check out. And pretty please click the links down below if you're really interested in the pieces. Click on them so you can see more hauls from your girl from Pretty Little Thing. It's not too much to talk about today. Let me just set the scene for you guys. So all of these pieces are Valentine's Day themed, but you know, without the cliche red pieces and things like that, we're not doing that today. We're just doing pieces that are really cute for date night, you know, your little shenanigans. A lot of these pieces are pieces that you can wear on your very own Valentine's Day date, or you know, your little situationship is taking it up a notch and y'all are becoming official or whatever. Or you can just wear to, like, if somebody's just taking you out to eat, you could, you know, it's versatile, duh. These pieces are super perfect. You're gonna feel comfortable, you're gonna feel sexy, you're gonna look good, like, duh. So let's get right into the pieces because I hope you guys are just as excited as I am. So outfit number one, she's cute. She's simple, not doing too much, but still showing off a lot. So the top is the white satin Bordeaux twist front crop blouse, and I got this in a size 8, and it fits me very well, pretty perfect. Like, she doesn't have to do too much, you feel me? I was really quite impressed with the quality of the top. Like, it's a lot better than I thought it would be. I thought it would be like just like one of the thinner materials, but it's actually really thick, really great quality. I don't think like the price was too high either. You basically get a bang for your buck. See, I could definitely wear with like a skirt, or I can wear with exactly what I'm wearing. Let's get into these pants. Girl, these pants. I've always had a problem with like PLT pants, with them not fitting right here. I'll probably insert some clips like in all my other videos, but I always have a problem with it fitting right here. But for once, this fits really good. Like, I don't feel like suffocated around here. I think this is like one of the shape line type stuff, so it's probably why it fits really well, because you know, your girl's a little thick or whatever. It's a little bit extra back here, but it's not too much. I just feel like the hairstyle that I have, the middle part, long, straight, clean makeup, everything, like I feel like this is a look like I can walk straight out my door and feel comfortable, feel sexy, nice little purse. I feel really good in these pants. Like, really love this, and I think you guys will love it too because duh, look at that. So with this outfit, babes, you're gonna walk into that dinner, you're gonna walk into that restaurant, a girlfriend, and you're gonna walk straight out a fiance. Like, the way this dress is doing me right now, like, dinner for two, please. No, this is absolutely gorgeous. Only annoying thing I will point out is these things that are pointing out, okay? There's some adhesive on it, but it don't really do that much. But then again, there's like sticky dress tapes and like stuff like that. Something to like make the clothing stick to your body. So if I were to wear this, that's definitely something that I would invest in because that's annoying. But this dress is absolutely gorgeous. Imagine this with like an updo or like a really cute, imagine it. Material is 10 out of 10 for me. It's not as thick as like some other bandage materials that I've tried on, but it's still really good. It's doing its job. It's holding it up, you know what I mean? Anyways, this is the chocolate bandage pointed bandeau paneled bodycon dress. And pointed it is indeed because, girl, just look at the body it gives me. And I'm sorry, y'all, I did not flat iron my hair that well today. I was just doing a whack job, but besides the point, look at the dress, look at me, look at my body. I'd wear this to a wedding even. Bride who? Bride me? But no, look at the, y'all. Oh God, dinner for two, please. This is freaking banging. Like, the dress is banging, the body is banging, the fit is banging. He gonna be bang.
Honey back here.
Don't think y'all are ready for this one because sis is talking, okay? She don't gotta say too much, but you know what she's saying, okay? So this dress, let's go with the scenario. This dress would be like a dress that you'd wear if you guys are going to a really fancy dinner and you can throw on like a jacket on top of it, but y'all are probably going to a bar right after, or you guys are going to like the club right after. So you want to be comfortable, you want to be simple, you want your outfit to be multi-purposeful, you want your outfit to be versatile. This outfit right here is doing the most but saying the least, okay? It's just one of those like simple pieces, like, and don't worry babes, if you don't have a man, best believe if you walk out in this dress tonight, you're not gonna have one man's, but you're gonna have a whole roster full of men, okay? Period. I love how the ruching on the side kind of gives me like a little bit of shape. It makes my outfit look like it has a little bit more going for it, you feel me? And because this outfit was so simple, very laid back, I decided why not pair it up with something that's going to make it stand out a bit more. So I decided to get these boots right here. Now I'm not gonna lie you guys, I didn't have it in mind to like get these two together, but I feel like it works, it could work. So yeah, you could probably wear it with these boots. Really nice statement boots. They're like these latex snake print. Is this snake print? Maybe alligator skin? Anyways, it's some animal print, okay? It is this really cute pair of boots. It's rounded in the back, so I really like that. You know, it just adds a nice touch to the outfit. Super comfortable boots as well. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I went up like 3 inches, so I have the boots on right now. They look so good, at least to me. They look really, really good to me. I'm super pleased with them. Another thing that I thought would be really cute to throw on this outfit would be this black faux leather croc oversized dad blazer. I got this in a size 4, and better believe them when they say it's oversized, because girl, this thing, it's big, it's huge. And even in a size 4, because my actual size is like size 6 type thing, but I was like, you know, maybe I should just go down a size to a size 4 so that the oversized is really like almost what it's supposed to be on me. I don't know, maybe if I had like a belt over it and just kind of cinching the waist over here and looking, I don't know, does that look good? I just feel like this outfit with the jet black straight hair, absolutely fire. Hello, hi. The only thing I will say is that this stuff is wrinkled. It's not like your really, really thick jacket. It's a lot lighter than what I thought it was going to be. I don't think they clash too much. Of course though, just tell me what you guys think down below. Do y'all see how I just layered up a whole outfit? We started with just a simple dress that was banging on its own and just kind of layered it up with some boots and a jacket. Don't think it's that bad altogether. What do you guys think? Overall though, it's not that bad of an outfit. Okay, so when I said we were leaving the cliche red color behind, I seriously meant it. Like, who said orange and brown can't be the color of love? Who? Because honestly, the way this outfit is doing me, it's the slip for me, it's the waist for me, it is the bust for me. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I did not think of like pairing these two together, but the way they complement each other, the way like this just holds up everything and this is just freeing the balance, y'all gotta give me my props. Like, do you see this? You see me? Girl. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Like, I'm freaking obsessed, okay? And I was thinking this part would be too small, it's not gonna fit. It fits and it's holding. When did my boobs ever look like this? Dr. Miami who? This is the brown ruched side midi skirt, and I got this in a size 6 and it fits absolutely beautifully. This is absolute fire, absolute flames. Like, it's giving vacation, it's giving dinner, it's giving girlfriend turned fiance. Like, y'all, I can't even speak. I'm absolutely lost for words for this dress, this two-piece. It's not even a two-piece, it's just a top and a skirt that really do each other, as in holy matrimony. They're really complimenting each other, they're really supporting each other. Like, this is giving marriage, no prenup. What else is it giving? Like, it's giving Turks and Caicos. This is giving Bridgerton vibes in 2021. Like, but now let's set the scene, okay? So maybe he's taking you out to salsa to do a little salsa dance so y'all can get your little salsa on, and you just thought this was the perfect outfit to throw on. Or he could be taking you to an Igbo themed restaurant where there's dancing. Hopefully that's a real thing, but in my head I really feel like I can just shake ya, shake you. Nah, like I really feel like I could wear this to an Igbo wedding and just tear up the dance floor. Oh, the trouble I'll cause, eh? Wahala for who no be my boyfriend. Wahala for who no be my husband, okay? Because baby, you missing out. I think it's fair to say that every single piece that I got in this Pretty Little Thing haul today was an absolute banger. This is another outfit where it's like, you don't have to do too much, but you're gonna be noticed when you walk straight through that door. There's a little bit of side boobage going on, so I'm not gonna show you guys like what it looks like on the side. And of course, I love this piece, especially because I wore it out yesterday. Not much had to be said. Now, I will say this though, this piece was hell to get into. The way the outfit is set up, like you have to tie something here. You have these two pieces that you have to fling up and tie in the back. Then you have this one that you have to tie, and it's like it will take you at least 5 minutes to like figure out how the dress works when you get it. It's one of those things where you just have the plain layout and you have to literally put the piece together to form what I would call a masterpiece, because this is absolutely gorgeous. A problem that I do have though, y'all see that I keep doing this, I just feel like it just makes it look like it makes it look like so frumpy. So I wish it would still have like a bit of shape or something right here, even though like I'm tying it up. But other than that though, it's not too bad. And what I decided to do was to pair it up with these shoes that I also got from PrettyLIttleThing and as well. These black, simple, but it also has like, you know, it has like a bit of rhinestones, so it's not too plain. There's certain black shoes that you just need a little bit of something just to add a little bit of spice to the outfit, and I feel like this just did that for me. Now I will say though, they are hell to walk in. Like they're not comfortable at all. Actually happy that I wore it yesterday and I went through the misery of these shoes so that, you know, you guys can at least know, like, I'm being honest with you. I'm telling you exactly what it is and what it ain't. But they're cute though, nonetheless. Like, look at the material. Can you believe I'm done with this haul? Like, I was hoping there would be more because I'm in such high spirits, okay? And I just love every single thing that I got. Like, can you imagine? Since when? Who does that? Of course, again, guys, listen. If you like any of these pieces, check the links down below. Click them and check them out. See if they have your size. See if it's going to get to you by Valentine's Day or by whenever your date is, okay? Or if you're not going on a date, like whenever your dinner, whenever your outing, your occasion, your event is, you know, check out the links down below because it would definitely help me out. And of course, if you guys do, you will be seeing so many more hauls from me. So check the links down below. Check the links down below. Other than that, I hope you guys really love this haul. Hope you guys really enjoyed your time here with me. I'm not gonna do this long-winded outro, whatever. Y'all see the vibes, either you with it or you not. Hopefully you're with it because, I mean, we're kind of lit over here, okay? I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye. It's why I die sometimes. Thank God I got the lead. Say God no, God the lead. Oh look, one ain't comforting me. When these people they comforting me. Comforting me. When these people they comforting me. It's why I die.